So now that we have explored document creation and data collection, let's move on to collaboration. In real time, multiple stakeholders, agents, buyers, sellers, and legal teams, they need to review and refine documents. Zoho Writer makes this process seamless with these collaborative features. So Gautam, during negotiations, agents and legal teams may need to exchange internal comments without exposing them to the clients. How does Zoho Writer help with this case?
That's a great question, Jennifer. Zoho Writer's comment visibility feature allows teams to add comments that are visible only to internal members. This ensures private discussions stay confidential while allowing smooth collaboration with clients. So let me show you how to access and add comments that are visible only to specific agents or to internal members. So in the document, this is a loan agreement document, and as you might know, when it comes to loan agreement, there will be multiple discussions involving internal as well as external members. So just get into the review tab and you can go ahead and select the content and add comment wherever you require. And while adding the comment, you'll have an option to customize to whom the comment is visible to. So here you can add the collaborators. You'll be having the list of collaborators available, and based on them you can add and then add a comment. So here you can see that here this is visible only to a specific member, as well as this is visible to a different member. So when the user A accesses the document, they'll be able to see only the comments that is visible to them, not the remaining comments. So this is how you can make use of comments to have your internal discussion and then go ahead and share this with your clients so that they'll not be able to view the comments that you had internally discussed.
Understood, Gautam. So another key aspect of collaboration is tracking modifications made by different stakeholders. How does Zoho Writer simplify this process?
Zoho Writer's track change feature highlights all edits made to the document. Reviewers can accept or reject changes based on their requirement, making it easier to finalize agreements without any confusions. This is particularly useful when multiple people are working on a contract, ensuring transparency and accuracy. So to enable this feature, you have to get into the review tab and enable track changes. So once that is enabled, any information typed into the document will be highlighted, and the author will have an option to either accept the changes or reject the changes based on their preference.
Okay. So once the document is reviewed, it often needs approvals from multiple parties. How can real estate teams manage this efficiently?
The workflows in Zoho Writer, documents can be sent for structured approvals. You can set up multi-level workflow where an agreement first goes for review and then for final approval, ensuring a smooth negotiation process. Let me show you how to enable or assign workflows to a particular document. So here you can see that there is a button called Assign Workflow. Just click on it and go ahead and choose the required workflow. So for now we have 3 different workflows, which is review, approval, and both combined review and approval workflow. So if you click on the view workflow, you'll be able to check out the blueprint in which the workflow is gonna be initiated. So once this process is completed, you can click on set workflow and then go ahead and start the workflow by assigning it to the appropriate members. So you can click on send for review and add a note and pick a user and then share the document for review and approval process based on the workflow that you have chosen. So this ensures that once the loan agreement or once the discussions are finalized, you can go ahead and share it with your managers or any other hierarchy member for approval process.